Oh, here we are on Girls Campus. I almost fell down and broke my neck on a tree branch just now. Boy, that would have been funny, dying up here, all alone and stuff. I can't think of any other way I'd like to go. Right here on Girls Campus. Look at the height of our trees and the way it silhouettes our bunks and rocks and raccoons and bears and turtles and skunks, snakes. We love it. So we're getting a little closer. Bunk 5. Sure it holds some memories for some. And 4, 3. It's amazing. We love it. We truly love it.